How to use annuities to provide additional income. Again, you have the different types of annuities: fixed annuities, fixed indexed annuities, and variable annuities. All annuities can provide income, but they're all going to do it in different ways of achieving growth. And if it's a fixed annuity, again, those payments you're going to receive might be fixed, but they're not giving much interest these days in these fixed annuities. It almost makes sense just to take out withdrawals from your account. So not really the best of options. You have variable annuities and fixed indexed annuities. When you have a variable annuity, the average fee in the United States is about 3.6% on a variable annuity, which to me is very costly. So having 3.6% on $100,000, that's already $3,600 out of your account before you've even made a penny. Another alternative is a fixed indexed annuity, which can also provide income, and many of them have no fee at all. They got you for time, and they got you on a cap. They limit you on how much you can make. But these income riders provide the ability to have not only an account value, but an income value. And anytime you make any interest on your account, some of these products actually give you additional interest or a bonus on your income rider or your income value. So this is going to grow over time. It's going to get much bigger than your account value would be or would accumulate to. And then you can take a percentage out, typically anywhere from 4 or 5 or 6%, depending on your age. Well, that's going to provide you income year after year after year. And these newer designed fixed indexed annuities actually have the ability that as they follow the market, if the market goes up, your payment's actually going to go up. Payment goes up, market goes up, your payment goes up. But if the market were to go down, your payment still stays the same. So it's going to start at a point and go up over time. If you pass away, you can actually pass that on to your spouse, and your spouse can continue to receive those income payments, and it's going to be of where you left off at. So your spouse can actually continue to receive it, and it's going to go up over time. And then when you pass, if there's any remaining amount left in the account, it's going to pass on to your heirs. If there's nothing left in the account, at least you had income for life. Annuities are the only investment product out there that provides lifetime income. You actually can't outlive your account. Now, if you try to do that with a regular stock, bond, or mutual fund, or even a bank account or a CD, once that goes to zero, your account is gone. It's at zero. With an annuity, depending on which type, you can have income that continues to provide for the rest of your life, even for a spouse, and you can never run out of money. Okay, the payments are still going to come in even though the account went to zero. But that's one way, or that's how these products provide you income for life.